I said some things that went and hurt you, girl. So you packed up all your things, you went and left me, girl, yeah. Bet you think that I'd be sad and hang my head to cry, but instead I'm feeling glad. Let me tell you why. It's just a mandatory holiday since you decided to leave me today, girl. Mandatory holiday. No need to stress, cause I'll see you tomorrow. Mandatory holiday since you decided to leave me today, yeah. Mandatory holiday. No need to stress, cause you know that I'm the best that you ever had, yeah. Every day I do the things that you'd like me to, but yesterday I did some things that I'd rather do. Whoa. So today you packed your bags and then you said goodbye. Though you left, I ain't that sad. Let me tell you why. It's just a mandatory holiday since you decided to leave me today, girl. Mandatory holiday. No need to stress, cause I'll see you tomorrow. Mandatory holiday since you decided to leave me today, yeah. Mandatory holiday. No need to stress, cause you know that I'm the best. I sit here all alone as the sun goes down, yeah. Can't stop thinking about you, girl, since you left town. Whoa. Now I'm sorry for the things that I said to you.